visualize and manage your financial and lease data through our Dashboard AI agent. Hello, I'm Amina, and I'm an accountant. For an upcoming exec meeting, I need to provide leadership a high-level overview of the company's lease portfolio. Let's take a look how this is done in Nakisa Lease Accounting. To start, I'll click the main menu and then expand the dashboard section. Here I can see all the out-of-the-box dashboards provided, as well as any custom dashboards I have previously created. To create a new dashboard, I'll click on Create Dashboard. I'll give my dashboard a title and select the type of dashboard I want to create. I'll click Next. Now I'll choose the dataset for my dashboard. A dataset consists of various data points, and selecting it allows me to view all the fields it contains. Please note that to use the Dashboard AI agent, only one dataset can be selected. Lastly, I'll click Create. My dashboard is created where I can create charts manually, or I can use the Dashboard AI agent to help me out. I'll click the AI agent icon in the top right-hand corner, and the prompt window will open. To prepare for next week's executive meeting, I need to analyze the distribution of our lease portfolio by company code. I can simply ask, please create a pivot table that shows how many leases I have in each company code by classification. I'll click Send. The AI agent suggested a chart and details its inputs. In this case, the AI agent suggested a pivot table showing the count of leases by company code and classification. I'll click Yes, because I am happy with the chart provided by the AI agent. However, I could edit the chart manually or refine the details with another prompt. And just like that, my chart is created. Next, I want to see which countries or regions we're the most active in, based on local currency. This will help us align our lease strategy with regional business needs. I'll ask the AI agent to please create a chart that shows how many leases per contract currency. The AI agent suggested a bar chart, however, I would really prefer to use a pie chart. I'll provide another prompt asking for a pie chart instead. The AI agent updated its response to create a pie chart instead of the bar chart. I'm satisfied with the chart, so I'll click Yes. My second chart is added to my dashboard. Lastly, I would like to see the end date of all the leases in my portfolio. I'll ask the AI agent to please create a pivot table that shows the ROU end date of each contract, using contract ID by company code. The AI agent suggests a chart and detailed its input. To enhance my charts and allow for focused discussions, I'd like to add some additional filters. I'll prompt the AI agent to suggest possible filters for this pivot table. The AI agent suggested 6 different filters that may be relevant to my pivot table. I have chosen to add a company code filter, which will help narrow the data and facilitate more targeted discussions with the leasing department of each company. The AI agent updated its response to include a company code filter. I want to explore the filters myself, so I'll click Edit manually. I'll start by reviewing the chart made by the AI agent. I decided to add an ROU end date filter to narrow down the scope of my pivot table to display only the lease contracts with an ROU end date occurring within the next 6 months. When I'm satisfied with my chart, I'll click Create. My third chart has been successfully added to my dashboard. I can edit the layout and the size of the charts. I'll click the 3 dots in the top right-hand corner. I'll click Edit Dashboard, and I'll click Edit Layout. I can now adjust the size and positioning of my charts. I'll expand the last pivot table I made by clicking and dragging the edges of the chart. This way we can see the information more clearly. When I am satisfied with the layout, I'll click Save Layout. With just a few prompts, I now have the operational and financial lens I need to guide the conversation around lease strategy and exposure.